Alright. 1999 Chrysler 300M. Got the flowmasters on. Flowmaster exhaust system. Fire it up.
Fire it up. Fire that baby up. Push it. Now I push the gas.
Yeah, that baby sound. Hear that sound? Hear that sound? Take it for a spin around the block and see what it ride like. This going straight to YouTube.
Oh! Going straight to YouTube.
Take it for a spin around the block, Tony. Go ahead. Let's get a move on.
Move it. Come on.
My son, oldest son, finna show y'all how this thing run. In order to truly see how it runs, I might have to drive. God, what?
I'm about to start making it.
He ain't getting into it good enough. They went. He can't drive. Oh look. What you trying to do? Raise it up. Raise it up. Alright. Alright, that good enough.
They want to drive around the block.
Go ahead, shit, hurry up.
I'm ready to go. Look.
So I couldn't really hear nothing for real, cause I need to drive this thing around now. Get into it. No, they don't need to. That's how the baby poses now. Huh? Yeah, but they don't be getting into it the way I do. You want to see them first while I drive around the block. I'm gonna show him how the thing supposed to sound. I'm gonna show him how it's supposed to sound.
All right, let's see. Here they come.
This how you supposed to get into this thing.
One told me to don't go fast. I'm going fast.
Y'all ahead and kill him, huh?
Alright, I'm gonna kill him with the auto stick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Automatic. I'm gonna use the auto stick right here.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Here we go. Doing laps around the block. Can't nobody do it like my uncle though. My uncle drive that thing. Go to my fun, boys.
Let me see that camera. That's how you do it, man. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Alright, yeah, bro.
That's who was filming for you. Nephew.
Alright, that's up, baby, man.
Alright.
I know what it is.
And that's a wrap.